Looking good over here.
Oh, I'm not done yet. Wait till you see what on the finished product.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah, it's going to be off there.
You guys see the birdie? Come see the birdie. Look at the birdie.
You want to hold him?
No. Do a bite.
Are you Little Robster?
Yeah. See, yeah, I'm
You
a little
look like
rough.
your old man, too, by God.
I'm 25.
Come on.
You're 25? No, he's 5. He's 5 years old.
He won't hurt you.
You wanna hold him?
Huh?
Are you fast? No.
He talks and says Mama and Dada.
In bad words.
On your shoulder.
No, he don't hurt. I mean, he's got nails, but he's holding on to you. Otherwise, he'd fall.
He won't bite.
I give her a ride.
Don't like my bird. My bite will kill you. My bird will kill you. My bird was cast.
I get her out of
He's soft.
I bail her out of jail about twice a week.
Yep.
No. You're right, Rob. I gotta go home. Is he fighting you?
See, he's sturdy. He's comfy.
You're like the 10th person that had that bird that takes pictures of his kids.
Aw, he's comfy.
I could probably make money doing that.
I know. I'm telling you.
Wings.
Would you like a
$5 I shot, by God.
You want to show him the wings?
Yeah, I will.
They're clipped.
See?
No. Oh, they clipped them.
I learned how to do that.
Did you?
Can you see the colors?
Hey, would you like
Careful. Be gentle with them.
They have a
Red-tailed
big
falcon.
Really?
A baby.
wings?
That was about 8 inches high.
Oh, you want green?
Said you son
No, he has hold on. You see
man, I would have
Yeah, he doesn't want to go to me. He's on Rob.
Wait, you want to see a big one? Yeah. Oh, they're golden.
You gonna go on him?
Oh, that's a big golden. Yeah, they're golden. Look, all of those blooms are yours? Yeah, both.
Hold your finger up. He doesn't have a good hold.
I'll give you 2 greens. Hey.
I got him. Watch out, you just hit the bird.
Be careful with the birdie.
Hey.
He likes the shoulders.
You better not poop on me.
Come on. It's okay. Come on. Go for a ride?
Command you to poop, birdie.
Jimmy.
Bradley, he's like me. He likes everybody.
She's afraid of birds.
No, I'm not afraid of birds. I just don't want it to poop on me.
Wait.
Not gonna.
Look at the back of my shirt. He went through 3 the other day.
Here.
Yeah. Yeah, they don't like doing that.
No, I just didn't want it to poop on me.
Hey, did you see the woodchuck?